welcome back to Triangles. This is Paul Wilson with Odessa College, Surveying 1315, Survey Mathematics, and we're studying triangles today. By the way, everything you need to know to solve oblique triangles is on this handout. You already got it, so start using it if you haven't already. Here's a triangle. We've got three sides. We don't know any of the angles yet. So look at the sheet and you'll see, well, let's see, to solve for the angles we use the law of cosines, the first form, because to solve for that you have side A, side B, side C, and that gives you the cosine of A, the cosine of B, and the cosine of C. So anyway, first formula, we're looking for cosine of A, so that's B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2 times BC. So quick in your calculators, enter B squared, which is 92.46, square that, add that to 112.28 squared, and then subtract from that 75.36 squared, and then store that number. Just hit store 1 and then go to the denominator and multiply 2 times 92.46 times 112.28, and you get 0.75395,962, and then you make that the arc cosine, and then convert that to degrees, minutes, and seconds, and you get 41 degrees, 48 minutes, 25 seconds. That's angle A. So that's a good start. Then you do the same thing with to find cosine of B. A squared plus C squared minus B squared. Store that as number 1. You can do that with your calculator. Look at the instructions, and then divide that by 2 times side A times side C, and that'll give you an angle of 54, 52, 25. And then you do the same thing. Cosine C is A squared plus B squared minus C squared. That whole thing divided by 2 times side A, 75.36, times side B, 92.46. It's not that hard. Don't make it any harder than you have to. After you get all your angles, make sure that they add up to exactly, no more nor less, 180 degrees. So that is solving for when you have all 3 sides of the triangle. We already went over how to get the perimeter and the area. So we're going to go on in the next exercise to having 2 sides and an included angle. We'll be back in a minute.